Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Fiaz Ahmed and my presentation topic is oxidation state. Oxidation state is a property in chemistry which tells about the number of electrons which are lost or gained by an atom in a compound. By definition, oxidation state is a number assigned to an element in a chemical compound in which the number of electrons lost or gained by the atom in that compound. For example, NaCl have a compound we have. In this compound, sodium will have one extra electron and chlorine have one ability to accept the electron. So in compound, Na will have positive charge and chlorine have negative charge because sodium lost the electron. So we know that electron is negative charged. When negative charge will be removed from one atom, then it have proton positive. So it have positive charge in the compound, and chlorine gain the electron. So it have negative charge in the compound. Some rules are assigned for oxidation state. First rule is free state. In free state, every atom has zero oxidation state. As in this state, neither an atom lose the electron or gain the electron. So it has zero oxidation state in free state. Second one is in monatomic ions. Monatomic ions, for example, monatomic H positive or any other in which Cl negative. As in monatomic, hydrogen lost the electron, so it have positive charge on it and one plus oxidation state, and chlorine gain the electron in monatomic ion, and so chlorine have -1 oxidation state. Rule number 3 is oxidation state of hydrogen. We have two oxidation states of hydrogen. Hydrogen have +1 and also -1. +1 is in that case when hydrogen reacts with non-metals, and -1 is when hydrogen reacts with metals. Fourth rule is for oxygen. Oxygen usually have -2 oxidation state in mostly compounds, but in peroxides have -1. Rule number 5. Sum of all the oxidation state charges in the compound. Sum of all the charges in a compound. For example, we have a compound KMnO3. In this compound, all the oxidation state all the charges when we count, it will be equal to the 0 charge. So it means 0 charge, 0 oxidation state in the whole compound. In polyatomic ion, oxidation state will be equal to the charge on that compound when we sum all the charges in this compound. So in this polyatomic ion, then we have +1 charge on it, as hydrogen have +3 and oxygen have -2, so which will be equal to +1 oxidation state on that polyatomic ion. And as it is MnO4 have -2 oxidation state on it. We see that change of oxidation state. In some compounds, oxidation vary from compound to compound for the elements. For example, we have HCl. In this compound, hydrogen lose the electron and chlorine gain the electron. So hydrogen have positive charge and chlorine have -1 oxidation state. But in other case, we see that NaH, when hydrogen reacts with metal. In this compound, hydrogen gain the electron and sodium lost the electron. But how it happens? As we have two oxidation states, plus 1 and plus minus 1 and plus 1 for hydrogen. So why there are two oxidation states for one element? It's only due to the electronegativity. Electronegativity is a property by which we can assign the oxidation state in the compound. As more higher electronegative elements have minus negative electronegativity, higher electronegative elements in a compound, and less electronegative element always have plus electronegativity as they lost the electron. In this compound HCl, chlorine have more electronegative element. Chlorine is a 3.6 electronegative element and hydrogen is 2.2 electronegativity. So it means hydrogen will lose the electron and chlorine will gain the electron in this compound. But in this case, sodium has about 0.93 electronegativity and hydrogen have 2.2 electronegativity. It means hydrogen is more electronegative. In this case, hydrogen will gain the electron and sodium will lose the electron. The lost and it all the result is the lost and gain of electron depends on the electronegativity of elements. More electronegative elements always lost the more electron